The panel that I was on today was really asked to address the question, what can regulators do to help the industry to address climate risk? And it was a very interesting session because we had regulators and industry speaking, and sometimes they're not always inclined to see things the same way. But I think out of that discussion, there is a real consensus around a need for collaboration, that industry can't do it on its own, and regulators aren't going to be most effective when they dictate to industry what needs to happen, and they may not know all the answers either. So I was really impressed by the sense of urgency as well as the need to collaborate on these issues to find genuine solutions that actually move the ball forward. What is the role of regulation? I really see the role of regulators, of course, in addition to ensuring the financial health and solvency of insurance companies, but really to act more as a way for the industry to unlock its potential. And that's critical. Regulators should not be a barrier to innovation or a barrier to evolution within the sector. They need to be right there with the industry leaders and every other company that's trying to wrestle with these problems and grow their ability to provide insurance coverage, affordability to more people around the world. That's a great question, and I thought about that before I got here. I really was looking to see what I hope would come out of this. And you know, what sort of evolved over the course of the day is a lot of, I think, very honest discussion and insightful discussion around the urgency that we're facing around climate change, the fact that global warming is here, we're already seeing the signal, and that the industry can and should play a critical role in helping us to, one, understand the risk, two, reduce the risk, and three, to adapt to the inevitable impacts of climate change. So I feel coming out of today's session, it built a lot of momentum. There were great ideas that can lead to further discussion and action-oriented ways to really address the problem going forward.